Hi guys, welcome to the Shepherds. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We upload new videos on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. See you then.
Good morning. Howdy guys. I'm up early. The missus is up early. She's going to Nissan to get her part done in the inside of her car. The panel part where you see all the lights are on, key on, the key in the car. I don't know what they call that, but she's gonna get that done. So y'all stay tuned. Look, she up early.
Huh?
As usual, she up early.
And guys, he get up early too. He gets up before me.
I told him already.
But he pretends to be sleeping. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Guys, happy car fix day.
Now she got it. Into that window. Alright, see you later, buckethead.
See you later, banana brain. Hi guys, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I'm trying to defrost this car. So like my husband said, I'm going to get this, the part is finally in, so I'm going to get it replaced. I don't know what happened to my display board, but display panel, whatever. It got damaged somehow. I feel like it was from rain. I don't know if y'all can see it. This area of distortion. Y'all see that? Those are not fingerprints, mind you, or a handprint. I don't know what that is. But I had my window down one day, and that's what happened. I had the window down and it was raining.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was two and didn't think that I could ruin anything.
Yes.
That's not that was you.
Oh, I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction. Convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she.
I had purchased a whole case of chicken because we eat a lot of chicken in here, and it's more than enough. Should be 2 months worth of food, and we got the deep freezer, so that's a good thing. Howdy. A whole case of chicken. I'm bagging it up because it's too much to have thawed out at one time. And then again, we could split it for 2 days in a row. So I might stop after I bag it up, a few more out of here. So y'all comment down below if y'all eat a lot of chicken. So I packed up all the chicken. I left this one here for hard times. It's bigger than all other ones. Bigger pack, perhaps. And now it's time to go to the deep freezer. All right, guys, there it is. All packed up, ready to be put in the freezer.
Hi guys, got her back. She looks great. All right, guys. Right now, I'm gonna shave Mr. Shepard's head. We have meeting tomorrow. We want to make sure he's sharp. I want to make sure he's sharp. Let go.
me down. You grinding and I don't know how. I guess the soft life made me act right. Big boss, where you make me feel so at ease. Independent, but I follow your lead. Ain't no games we play for keeps. You got the ring, so tell me, Papa, what do you need? 3 in the morning while you get dressed. Zeus in the evening if you're feeling stressed. Tough by your decisions, I trust. Cause you only want the best for us, baby. I'll be friend on the weekend when we hanging out. A lover on call, boy, I make a vow that you're my number one priority. Just keep giving me all your love. Don't stop giving me all your love. I'm sitting in the palm of your hand. Your wish is my command. Just keep giving me all your love. Guess it took a real man to bring it out of me. Gave me good love. It's funny how I wanna be submissive now. What a big dog needs. Funny how I wanna be submissive. Got me making plates and doing dishes. Baby, what you need, I handle business. He called me an old soul, but little do we know that everybody doesn't get this treatment. Somebody made me want completeness. Being truly loved really is different. Cause I see him working hard for me. So whatever he needs, I'll be. Freak in the morning while you get I'll be. Zeus in the evening if you feel stressed. Tough by your decisions, I trust. Cause you only want the best for us, baby. I'll be. Friend on the weekend when we hanging out. Lover on call, boy, I made a vow that you're my number one priority. Got my loyalty, just keep giving me. Don't stop giving me. I'm sitting in the palm of your hand. Your wish is my command. Just keep giving me. Guess it took a real man to bring it out of me. Gave me good love, baby, and now I see what a big dog needs. I think it's funny how I wanna be submissive now. Look at me now. Who is she now? We just keep on walking, but never really getting nowhere. It's like we keep on talking, but never really saying nothing. On different sides, on different times, stuck in a ways we ain't changing. Can't read your mind, and I've really tried. You won't let me in like we're strangers. Say opposites, supposed to attract, but we both can tell it feels often. Should let it go, but somehow we fold, and it happens way too often. We're so different, we're so different. How could we ever agree, make it fit in? It's just like we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand you, you don't get me. It's just like we're blinded by fear. We can't see clearly. Somehow this thing between you and me, standing in the way of our sanity. Yeah. On different sides, on different times, stuck in a ways we ain't changing. Can't read your mind, and I've really tried. You won't let me in like we're strangers. Say opposites, supposed to attract, but we both can tell it feels often. Should let it go, but somehow we fold, and it happens way too often. We're so different, we're so different. How could we ever agree, make it fit in? It's just like we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand. just like we're, act just like we're fine, but this just ain't it. But every time we try, we end up back here. No, we don't stand our ground, come back 'cause we're scared. On different sides, on different times, on different times. Can't read your mind, I've really tried. You won't let me in, we're strangers. Say opposites, supposed to attract. Supposed to attract. Should let it go, but somehow we fall. It happens, we're so different.
For your milk.
Probably still.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Can feel it.
We're so different. How could we ever really make it fit in? It's just like we're so different. We're so different. I don't quite understand you. You don't get me. It's just like we're so different. We're so different. How could we ever really make it fit in? It's just like we're so different. We're so different. I don't quite understand you. You don't get me. It's just like we're
That's empty.
Do your face stuff.
Do my face. Do my face.
Hot towel. You don't want it?
Yeah, you could. Yeah.
That's what I
This
use.
is nice. Ain't gonna ice y'all be looking for.
I used to say, come on.
You don't want me to see you?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a personal problem. Sound like.
That's too hot. I don't feel it.
You wouldn't be able to take it. Come on, please. You wouldn't be able to take that towel. You would threw that towel back down if it was too hot. That's good. It's hot like that. Just close the pores up. Before it get cold. Or warm.
Oh, you're breaking out bad.
That's all right.
It still got
You're
hair
gonna go
right here,
down.
baby.
Still got hair with it.
All right. Ready?
Yeah. Stuff to be 20%.
You don't feel that?
Yeah, it did. A little bit.
Maybe because the pores is. You sure frowning like it's going something.
My ear ringing. Yeah, the head on fire.
All right.
I'll take my shower after I eat my dinner. I mean, my snack.
All right,
This
guys. Mr. Shepherd is beautiful once again. Ain't he pretty, y'all? Oh, he's so cute. Even though he's Santa Claus' little brother,
I'm not.
he's look cute, but his head is kind of pale. I'm kind of worried, y'all. Maybe if I pop it, I can make it be the right color.
Ain't gonna do nothing popping, nothing, make nothing the right color. I hope you had a field day watching the Shepherds. Subscribe.